Welcome! If you want to make your Facebook page posts more shareable and boost your reach, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to allow others to share your page posts directly to their stories on Facebook using the Facebook app on your PC. This is a brand new update, and it's a great way to get your content in front of more eyes. Let's get started! First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to the account that manages your page. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will bring up a menu with several options. From the menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can control all aspects of your Facebook experience. Now, on the left side of the screen, find and click on Page and Tagging. This section is where you can manage how people interact with your page and posts. Scroll down until you see the option called Allow Others to Share Your Posts to Their Story. By default, this might be turned off. To enable it, simply click the toggle or checkbox next to this option. Once it's on, anyone who sees your public posts will be able to share them directly to their own Facebook stories. That's it. You've just made it easier for your followers and fans to share your content, helping your page reach new audiences and grow even faster. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with other page admins or anyone looking to expand their Facebook presence. Stay tuned for more tips on getting the most out of your social media accounts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.